Yeah, subscribe if you want to see what's inside.
Comms check. Gas mix verified. Hot water line. Umbilical inspection.
We're searching a tight box. If we see a container corner, we don't rush it. Confirm ID first. "15 meters to go. Tension steady at 5 kilonewtons.
Acknowledged. Watching the line.
Seal check complete. Radio check. Reading you 5x5 surface. Valves are tight.
Confirmed. Umbilical secure.
Link secured on the starboard fitting.
Roger that. Proceed with the pry tool.
Snag hazard. Avoid.
Watch the pinch point. All right, heave. Secured on this side.
Roger. Tension stabilizing at 50 meters.
Copy that. Proceeding with the connection now.
Cable is secured and locked in place. Surface.
Corner 2 secured.
Comfort, that's immune checking tension.
Coming down easy. Steady, steady. Hold it right there. Landing zone is clear. Easy on the lines now. Easy, easy. Bring it down slow.
Clear on the port side.
Hold the tension. Watch the swing. Pull the stern line. Easy now. Slack on the bow line, let it come around.
All right, so we apply the penetrating oil first.
Right, let it sit for a minute, then use the cutters.
Got it. I'll take the cutters.
Steady, keep it slow.
We've got the spill pads ready.
Okay, control the runoff now.
All right, take the weight slowly. Wires are taut, Chief. Easy lift, keep everyone clear of the pinch points.
Levels are nominal.
Confirmed. Team, the atmosphere is clear. Stand by to unseal.
That should be everything off the runner.
Okay, let's get this wiped down before the next shift. We're connected here.
All right, pull it tight. Easy now, just a few more inches. Copy that, looking good on the left side. All tools secured, we are clear here.
Very good. The morning shift is starting.